You just gave speech. What was that about?
So at the moment I'm looking at localisation technology for augmented reality, and what that really means is how can we tell exactly where you are in the world using just your mobile phone. So not using GPS at all, but using just your mobile phone's camera image.
And why do we want to know that? It's a little bit scary.
Well, for augmented reality, we have Pokémon Go. We've seen what a success that's been, but they're essentially using GPS. So they can say, right, we're going to have a few Pokemon in this broad area, and if anyone's in that area, they can look at them on their phone and hold them up. What they can't yet do is they can't say there is a Pikachu sat on this statue at this part of the city, and for you to hold up your phone and see exactly where that is. So we can't have that yet because GPS isn't accurate enough. So we need something else. We need another different approach. And what we're using computer vision and a degree of what would commonly be known as artificial intelligence to actually be able to decide exactly, to infer exactly where the user is. Because once we know exactly where the user is to within a few centimeters, we can then change the world around them. We can change the digital world and augment their reality using either a mobile phone or a head-mounted display or any other device.
But don't you think it's kind of scary, isn't it? If like developers like you can know that exactly, I mean, that can go wrong.
In terms of ethically, or in terms of, I mean, we're entering into a whole new era of computing, and with any new technology, there are good reasons to be not just skeptical but wary about how this technology might be able to affect our futures. But we should also not dismiss the tremendous benefits that these new technologies can afford us.
And besides the aspect of play, what will be the benefit here?
So, for example, if you're on a ship. And you need to know exactly what stock you have on that ship. You need to know exactly the status of a particular item on that ship. In order to do that and overlay that content easily, we need to know exactly where that person is on that ship. So we're kind of building that technology so that they can have a better understanding of the environment around them. And eventually we'll be interacting with technology and have a computer interface over the real world. So we can interact with this content. We have a closer relationship with that technology, and as long as we're working with partners that are using that technology for good rather than for nefarious reasons, then we're onto a good thing.
Okay, so hopefully everybody will use it for good or just for the play aspect. Are you playing Pokemon yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Like the entire day, like often?
Not the entire day. I have to work as well, but I do play, and yeah, it's stunning what they've achieved.
Well, I already asked you, but what's your favorite Pokemon?
Definitely Weedle.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.